In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-page website in WordPress. We'll use the built-in site editor to streamline your site so everything important lives on a single, scrollable homepage. This approach is perfect for portfolios, simple business sites, or campaigns where you want visitors to get the whole story without clicking around. No plugins or code required. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and opening the site editor. You should land on your site's homepage template. Click inside the highlighted canvas to focus the editor, then open the panel that lets you manage site content and choose pages. Here you'll see every page currently on your site. For a true one-page website, you only need the home page. Select any extra pages you won't be using and move them to trash. If a confirmation appears, click trash again to confirm. Don't worry, this doesn't permanently delete content right away. Items in trash can be restored if you change your mind, which makes this step safe while you experiment. Once you've trimmed the list, so only your homepage remains, return to the main editor canvas using the back control or the highlighted icon. Click on the canvas to ensure you're editing your homepage content. This is where your single page comes together. You can organize key sections like a hero area, an about blurb, services, testimonials, and a contact prompt using the blocks that come with your theme. Keep sections concise, use clear headings, and balance text with imagery so the page remains fast and easy to scan. If your theme shows a navigation menu, you can later convert menu items into jump links that scroll to sections on the same page, but for now, just focus on the core content. When you're satisfied with the structure, it's time to save. Click Save in the top right. WordPress will show a summary of what's changing, pages, templates, or styles. So give it a quick review and click Save again to confirm. Next, click Launch to make your updated, single-page site live. Think of Save as committing your work in the editor, and Launch as publishing those changes for everyone to see. After launching, open your site in a fresh tab and scroll from top to bottom. Check that spacing feels comfortable, buttons work, and text is readable on both desktop and mobile. If anything looks off, hop back into the site editor, adjust, save, and launch again. That's all it takes. You've transformed your WordPress site into a clean, focused one-page experience, removed extra pages, saved your work, and launched it live.